everyone, welcome back to Simba Oasis. Today we're going to be looking at a 3-bedroom house located in Genesis Manor, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. This house is approximately 1,800 square feet and is currently on the market at a cost of 33.5 million Jamaican dollars. This house consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living area, dining area, kitchen, a front porch, an outdoor gazebo, and a laundry area. With that in mind, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this house. For the images that you're currently seeing, they're showing the front of the property. As this house is located inside the gated community of Genesis Manor, there are a few amenities that you'll be able to enjoy, such as the communal pool, the clubhouse, and of course the multi-purpose courts. From here, we're going to now take a look on the inside. First up, we have the living and dining area. That is then followed by the kitchen. We're now going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And here's the second bedroom. This house has 3 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 3 were shown. We're now going to move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. We move on from here to the laundry area. And that will be it from here, guys. So we're now going to head back on the outside. And here we are. And this would be the end of the tour, guys. So if you are interested in this house, just a reminder, it is currently on the market at a cost of 33.5 million Jamaican dollars. I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtor and also the link for this house. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.